Hello friends and welcome to Infotainment. Well, here we'll see how to find or check storage in an iPhone. So let us see it in the mobile, how to do that. So friends, to find the iPhone storage, you have to go to the settings. So for settings, you can press here, settings. You will find a search bar here in settings. So directly you can find either go to general options and go for iPhone storage here. Once again say you, I go back here in settings, you can go to general options and then iPhone storage. Here you can see the exact amount of data or storage size each of your features or each of your app taking, like photos 31.2 GB, Twitter this much GB. You can see everything here, and upload a news tab. You can see it in a graphical or a bar kind of manner, like how much storage apps are taking, photos are taking, iOS is taking, everything you can see from here. So friend, this is how you go to iPhone storage. I hope you found this video useful. If so, then please like this video and please do not forget to subscribe to this channel Infotainment to get more of such videos, and if possible please do share this video across various platforms so that many people come to know of this feature. So till then, see you again, see you soon. Keep watching Infotainment. Thank you.